Hey guys, we received these 5-gallon pots for plants, 5-gallon nursery pots for the plants with the drainage holes. So there are 5 pack, 10 inches round, sturdy plastic plant pot for the planters. So here you can just put in the mud and you can plant your plants. This have the holes already there and really strong quality as I can feel it here, so very durable, and this have the hole already in here, so that's very helpful, so for draining the extra water and stuff, and have the stone. So from the sides as well, they are really nice with the quality wise, so can hold really good or the big plants as well. And they are the set of 5, so this is really good. So total height is around 24 centimeter, and then width is around 23.4 centimeter, top is around 30.5 centimeter, or I will say 12 inches on the top and 9.2 inches on the bottom, and the side is around or height is around 9.45 inch.